Welcome back to the Adventure Bus, and today we are going to complete a couple things. We've got a couple more pot lights up here to put in. These two I'm going to run off a switch by the driver's side here, just so like the driver has kind of control over stuff. I've got these guys installed right here, and they're gonna give me control over the LED strip lights and control over the pot lights. I have another one today which is going to control the kitchen pot lights. That's this guy. So I'm gonna put that in the wall here. Also, I've got all the shiplap done, so I've got to do some sealer up along the top there. Gonna do that today. What else is on the list? Oh, tons of stuff. I want to finish up this wall here. There's going to be another wall there, so that's going to be where the bunk beds are, so I'm going to get to that. And my current project right now is this guy. Is a little piece of ductwork that I finally found. It's hard to find for these diesel heaters. I got this at Home Depot. It's 3-inch ductwork. That's what I needed for my diesel heater. So what I'm gonna do, couldn't find a T. They don't exist, but I did find an elbow. So I'm going to put this elbow into here and then shoot the heat into the kitchen underneath the kick plate here, and then underneath the seats so that the heat goes to the front. So that's going to be what that diesel heater powers. And then back here, I got this guy running already. This guy actually has 4 outlets, but the hose is a lot smaller. So I've got to find something high heat rated that that'll work with that. All right, let's get started on getting some heat to the front of the bus. Piece done. Then we've got this nice little vent which I'm going to put under the kick plate underneath in the kitchen. Pop that on. Beauty. So this is our diesel heater, is down under there. So this tube is going to come out in the middle under here and then come out under the seats up there.
2 hours later.
So I usually don't film things when I'm trying to figure them out. So I've got this hood fan here and I wanted to figure out how to install it. It's actually an exhaust, so it goes straight out the side of the roof. So you can kind of see back in there, the hole. So what I've done is I've added some brackets, some wood, and then I've got these guys here, which, ta-da, them I've got to attach to the back of this and then put this back. So now I'm gonna take this all down, that I figured it out and know what I'm doing, and I'm gonna put it back up with the proper ductwork. So let's get to it. Okay, so hood fan's in. Now, to put the cooktop in, I want to center the cooktop underneath the hood fan. Like so. Actually has a gasket around it, so it is meant to either use the feet or to mount it. So I'm going to opt for the mounting. And I do have a little trick, just need to get some string. So hopefully this will work. Just going to tape some string sides here and let it hang down, and hopefully that'll kind of get us centered.